Welcome to PiVerse University. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most important aspects of the Pi network, the KYC process, or Know Your Customer. If you're planning to migrate to mainnet or want to take full advantage of everything Pi has to offer, passing KYC is a critical step. We'll explore what KYC means, why it's so essential to the network, how to complete it properly, and share helpful tips to avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a process used globally by financial institutions and platforms like Pi Network to verify the identity of users. In short, it's how the Pi network ensures you're a real human being, not a bot, or someone trying to create multiple fake accounts. It protects the integrity of the network and helps build a secure, trustworthy ecosystem. Without passing KYC, you won't be able to transfer your Pi to the mainnet, so it's absolutely essential for your progress in the network. KYC is one of the most important tools in maintaining the fairness and security of the Pi network. First, it prevents abuse from users trying to create multiple accounts just to mine extra Pi. Second, it ensures that the distribution of Pi remains fair. One real person, one real account. Third, it's a gateway. Until you pass KYC, your mined Pi stays in a locked balance. Only after KYC will it become transferable. Lastly, KYC opens the door to other parts of the ecosystem, including apps, services, and node operations. One of the most common questions is, when will my KYC be approved? The truth is, there's no fixed timeline. Some pioneers get verified within hours, while others may need to wait days, or even longer, depending on the number of available validators and how many people are ahead of you in the queue. Pi Network uses real human validators, not instant AI, so the process takes time. Be patient and keep checking your KYC status in the app regularly. Before starting your KYC, you need to prepare the right documents. These include a valid, government-issued photo ID, something like a passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Most importantly, the name on your ID must exactly match the name in your Pi network profile. Also, the photo must be clear, not blurry or cropped. Make sure the text is readable and all four corners of the document are visible in the picture. Otherwise, your application might be rejected. Here's how the KYC process works step by step. First, open your Pi app and go to the KYC section in Mainnet Checklist. Then, you'll be redirected to the Pi browser where the actual verification happens. You'll need to take a live selfie and upload your ID document. This selfie must match the photo on your ID. Once submitted, your documents will be reviewed by human validators, real users who check if everything is correct. After review, you'll be notified whether your KYC passed or needs corrections. Don't worry if your KYC gets rejected. It happens. Most of the time, the issues are simple: blurry images, mismatched names, or incomplete documents. The good news is that you can usually reapply. If your name in the Pi app doesn't match your ID, you may need to request a name change before trying again. Make sure your documents are clear, readable, and exactly match the details in your profile. Once fixed, you can resubmit when the KYC option becomes available again. Here are a few tips to increase your chances of KYC success. First, make sure the name on your Pi profile matches your ID exactly, including spelling, capitalization, and full names. Second, use a well-lit area to take your ID photo and selfie. Avoid shadows and reflections. Third, never use a nickname or fake name in your Pi account. Finally, double-check that your ID is valid and hasn't expired. These simple steps can save you time and stress later on. Passing KYC opens up a whole new level of opportunities within the Pi ecosystem. You'll gain access to your transferable balance, meaning you can move your Pi to the mainnet wallet. You can also lock up your Pi to boost your mining rate significantly. On top of that, you can participate in real-world transactions, run a node, or even become a validator yourself, helping others complete their KYC. In short, KYC turns your mined Pi into something you can actually use. To sum it all up, KYC is your golden key to unlock everything you've worked for in the Pi network. If you've been mining Pi, it's time to get ready for the next step. Prepare your documents, double-check your profile info, and be ready when your invitation comes. And once you're verified, don't forget, you can pay it forward by helping others as a validator. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos to boost your mining rate and get the most out of Pi Network. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other pioneers. And if you're new to Pi Network and want to join, check the pinned comment below for my referral link and get started. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.